Alright guys, the goal for a good fire is a good coal base. You gotta get a real thick and tall coal base, something you can stir around. And even out here in the ocean, you have to do whatever you can to survive. It's hard to survive out here. Life is rough. No, I'm just talking. I'm burning sea sticks that I found on the shore. Tonight we are going to be doing shish kebabs on this fire. It's chicken, sausage, potatoes. We're going to do some green beans, have some rice. It's going to be fun. We are cooking shish kebab tonight. Corey's chopping up the chicken. I'm about to walk the dogs. We're gonna get the sausage going, chop up some potatoes. Got a fire going out here. And we're gonna have a nice little evening. How nice is that? So we're having fun out here. I'm playing with this big old tripod I got with this new Canon camera. So I don't know how good this quality of this footage is, but we are gonna be cooking out tonight, sitting on this gorgeous personal beach of ours on Texas, in Magnolia Beach, loving life. This is great. We're gonna be here and then heading to San Antonio to see my folks, which is gonna be exciting. I haven't seen them in quite a while. But yeah, y'all, this is the journey. All right. Let's do potatoes and eggs. So she's talking trash. She said you can tell who's whose. Who made who?
I wonder.
That was Corey's. This is mine. A little patience. I came up with a combo: potatoes, sausage, potato, chicken, potato. So the chickens are getting, the potatoes are getting seasoned by the chicken and the sausage. Soaks into it. But the sausage and the chicken are separated, so you have those tastes. That's how I did it.
Perfect.
Yeah. Voila! Happy Valentine's Day. chicken, sausage, and potatoes. Holding down these. We're cooking tonight. So I did an upgrade to the grilling. The foil was working, but I just really wanted to, we have a lot of extra sausage, chicken, and potatoes, so we're gonna have to cook more and more. I was like, that foil's not gonna hold up, it's just gonna burn up. So I took the grill from our plug-in grill that we cook salmon on and all the other stuff. And we could do it on our propane, but we're actually running low on propane. We're on E, is what my gauge told me this morning. So we're just trying to conserve that just in case it gets cold a little bit at night. And so what do? Make a natural fire. You're out here, Mother Nature, but take your grill and still get a good grill on. I smell it. I wish y'all could smell this. It's good night. So somebody's eating dessert.
Yeah, Daniel got these, what are they called?
I don't know, brownie in a cup.
Brownie in a mug.
Brownie in a mug.
They're pretty good. I mean,
Yeah.
they're not healthy by no means, but
No.
it's dessert. So, I just made a mess.
Yeah, so you can't really tell. It just looks like brownie in a cup. But this is our agenda for the next couple of days / weeks. That's all we have planned. We don't plan too far in advance. Here's an idea of our fridge for everybody who cares. You got space. Easily. We had 100 shrimp, this is cod, chicken pot pies, mixed fruit over there, eggs, cheese, leftovers, purified water. Yeah, so we got a great fridge. This is our pantry. We put in these motion lights. So the pantry, you kind of stuff. It's strategic of what you need, like coffee's first, then banana, then English muffins, aluminum foil, spices, dog treats, pot pans. Well, these are deep. These are all real deep. Like, I can't even stick my arm all the way back there deep. Sometimes I don't know what it is, the wind, or I kick this when I'm sleeping, but the lights go off. She hates it.
I need it pitch black.
Yeah, she needs it pitch black. And these visors definitely do that. Then you got your spice rack right there. And excuse our kitchen, it's a little dirty.
Cleaning up from dinner.
Cleaning up from dinner. Shish kebabs were amazing. Dessert was amazing. We have a couple logs on the fire, so then we're gonna go in the night under a fire. No, under the moon by a fire. All right,
Let's
y'all.
hope we're not going under a fire.
Yeah, let's hope we're not going under a fire. And then we're gonna fall asleep and wake up and do it all over again. So, good night.